Be generous with the meat, don't be stingy. Ooh, it's too much. Ooh. No, fill it up.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on the channel. And today on the menu I have got, I'm gonna call it stuffed Yorkshire pudding. Yeah, basically it's Yorkshire puddings. I got some meat, I've got some potatoes, and yeah, we're gonna do some stuff with it. So stay tuned, let's see how it goes and enjoy. But before any of that, do me a favor, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Also, I can't even speak right now. Also, follow me on Instagram as well, at MosToosifar as well. And enjoy the show, guys. Make sure to share, comment, like. Right, so guys, here we go. Let me tell you the ingredients that we've got and what we're gonna do with them. Obviously, I've got 6 Yorkshire puddings right there. I've got minced beef, got 2 tomatoes, 3 potatoes. I think that's quite a lot. Maybe I don't need all of it, but anyway. And at the very end, we're gonna use the cheese. So for now, the cheese can go over to this side. And what we wanna do is chop these up, chop out the tomatoes, chop out the potatoes. You wanna get them chopped up evenly, thin, small bits. And then we're gonna fry them. And then we're gonna add the mince to it after. So without further ado, let's get things going. Okay, that's our tomatoes done. Moving over to our potatoes. Okay, that's done. Get the frying pan, put the heat on, max. Get a bit of olive oil, stick it in there. That'll do nicely. Wait for it to warm up a little bit. Right, and what you want to do, pour it in, just get it all in there. All the tomatoes, split them up, get it in. Go on, all of you, get in there. Not you, not you. Okay. Oh no, you just want to split them up. Guys, I would just like to say, whilst this is frying, I would have got 2 more tomatoes, chopped them up and left it there. I thought it's not going to be enough. And I put these in the oven, in a baking tray. They're going to be ready to go in the oven once everything is cooked. And meanwhile, let's have a look at our potatoes. They're a little bit stuck together a little bit. It's alright, you can always, you know, go like that. Come on, these take forever to change colour. It's so annoying. I've been here 15 minutes already. It's not happening, is it? It takes a long time for it to go brown, you know, like it still looks uncooked a lot of it. But there you go. I guess good food takes time, right guys? But I mean, look at the video, like, I'm looking at it now, I can see the colours here, a bit of there, a bit of there, a bit of there. Ooh, it's beautiful. Does it not make you hungry, guys? When I have the food ready here, when you see all the colours, only if you could smell it. Oh my god, it'll be a different story. Just these fried potatoes, it's not so good. But anyway, what I'm gonna do next, give it a few more minutes. And what I'm gonna do is add the meat. But I'll be back in a few minutes. Just thought I'll give you a quick update and show you guys what the potatoes look like, you know, as they get fried. Just in case if you've never seen potatoes get fried, by the way. But yeah, You know what? Yeah, let me bring it closer so you guys get a good look at it. Have a look. There you go. Look at that. Can you hear that? Listen to that sizzling noise. That sounds so. That sound is amazing. Right, I'm gonna put it back in here before. Yeah, give it a couple of more minutes, and then it's starting to look a lot better now. So a couple of more minutes, and then we'll be adding on the meat, and I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, guys, it's been a few minutes now. Whew. Listen to that. Before it starts to burn, we're good. Ooh. I saw that come close to my eye. Moved just in time. You know one of them ones. What I'm going to do is season it. Bit of salt, okay? Bit of pepper, right? Tiny bit of saffron, yeah? Little bit of turmeric. Give it to that rich colour. Then, this stuff, you want to be really careful. This is extra chili spicy. Extra chili powder, sorry, what did I just say there? Like really, just very minimal. This stuff will, yeah, that's a lot. Okay? Now, it is time to add our meat. But before that, let me stir this up so it gets all into the, it gets in there, right? Look at that. That's lovely. These are nice and crispy now. What we want, what we need. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? It looks gorgeous, that does. Looks yummy. Right, meat. Let's do it gently. Take out that nonsense. Get rid of that. Okay. And now what you want to do is mix it all up. Yeah. Now we're going to add these bad boys. Whoa, get in there, get all the juice in there, get everything. Right? I'm going to leave just a tiny bit, that much will do, for later. Okay? This is smelling yummy, guys. Let this go on, cook for a little bit. We'll put the lid back on, give it a few minutes, and where's my cheese? Right, in terms of cheese, get it, chop up. Thin slices you want, you don't want it to be too thick. Alright, look at that. Now, all I'm going to do, I'm going to put one in the bottom of each. Those are the slim ones. There you go. Just put it in there nicely. This one's got a bit bubbly. Just push it down, it's fine. Clean hands, guys. Clean hands. Make sure, especially with the situation going on now in the world, clean hands are important, yeah? Woo, look at that. Get the water in there. You don't want it to be too dry, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Alright? Stir it, you always got to stir it. Make sure it's not, you know, burnt or anything. Have a look at that. Yeah. Look into that, guys. Looks amazing. Right? A bit of that. Wait for our oven to warm up. Okay, oven is heated up nicely. Now all I'm going to do is switch places, bring this closer, because we're going to need it. All you want to do is gently, gradually fill up the Yorkshire puddings, right? Be generous with the meat, don't be stingy. Ooh, it's too much. Ooh. No, fill it up. Push it down. Get in there. Alright? This is that good stuff. That's what happens when you're at home. Yeah, get a little bit more in. You can always squeeze in a little bit more. Leave it alone. Get it in there. Alright? Fill them all up as much as you can. There you are. Add a little bit more to this one. Look at that, right? Then get your cheese, put them in the middle. There's that one, and that one's for me. Put that in the oven. Bob's your uncle. 10 minutes in the oven, let the cheese melt. Bring it out. Right, ladies and gentlemen, just whilst that's getting ready, here's what I've done, just a little presentation. Not even a presentation, just a bit on the side really. The chopped tomatoes, got some sour cream, and some basil on the side, right? So, let's get our Yorkshire puddings out, see how they're doing. Look at that, look at that. Can you see guys? Oh, my hand's burning, but anywho, that looks yummy, doesn't it? Right, let's put that there. Let me turn that off. Where's our thingy-majiggy? Let me get one of these. Which one looks the most stuffed? Which one looks pretty, eh? Numero uno. Numero dos. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Number 3. Okay, that's that, right? And all I'm gonna do, if you like, if you don't like, it's up to you. You could just, you know, get a few basils and just put it right in between the three. Just to give it some colour, really. Nothing fancy. You've already got something on the side, but there you go. That is your stuffed Yorkshire pudding. Bit of meat, bit of potatoes, bit of tomatoes, and bon appetit, guys. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, MosToosifar. Make sure you follow me on the YouTube as well. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up